I need this AC to be blowing on me. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Lovelies. It's so good to have you guys join us today. So I'm like, I need to be vlogging more, right, in this year, so that all the content I'm sharing with you guys is not just like sit down in front of camera. I need to bring you guys along more on my day-to-day activities and all. But my challenge with that, I used to say, is I work on weekdays. If you guys don't know, I also have a 9 to 5. So I'm like, and then on Sundays I'm committed to church. So really, it's just the times I have to film. Like, it's not easy to just be bringing you guys along every time, but with God all things are possible. So I'm going to try. Like today now, for instance, we are just done with church, and hey, I'm happy about this part. So my husband and I run a foundation, Solutions Foundation, where we pay school fees of some kids. And today we're just meeting with them, buying them lunch, buying them ice cream and stuff like that. So I'm like, it would be nice to bring you guys along so that you guys can see some of the children. These are very few of them actually. And the Abuja region, the kids apparently in the timing we picked are not available because they're out of town. The kids are available, but their guardians and parents are not, and it's tricky. I always prefer everything we do to involve their parents, because the last one that we did and the parents was not involved, I need to gist you guys, is another whole story on its own. So we registered some kids in the school, in a community school here, and then one of the teachers was now like, there's one other guy that came to make inquiries and he's trying to register his siblings, and then we intervened, got to know about them and stuff like that, only to realize that they were really, really suffering. They had come from the east. They had joker. They had gone from the east, and they were sleeping by the beach side under one backo wood, stuff like that. So I'm like, okay, we can help them. When we got the view of their situation and we assessed that it was truly like they needed help, we decided to help them, and we settled 3 of them in school. Only for us to want to do a checkup call one day. We checked on the other kids. What? Domino's. We checked on they'll soon be there. Their house is close by now. We checked on the other kids and they were checking on them. I just noticed I kept calling this guy, calling him. He's the eldest brother, and the story was that his parents were using the kids to do like house help and stuff like that. So we kept calling and calling him. He wasn't picking my call. So I called the teacher in the school that introduced us, and she was like, their mom came from the east and withdrew the children from the school. That she was like, no, that their destiny is not in school, their destiny is not in Lagos. It broke my heart. It wasn't even the money that we had spent to settle them in school and stuff like that. It was the fact that your children have seen helpers and you are withdrawing them. I got to know that some parents in that side, like people that are not well to do like that, or people that are not exposed, have that kind of mentality that like how would the children make money for me, if I put them in school? I'll be the one spending and stuff, or they won't be able to do house helps where you get the salaries they're earning. I'm like, at that such young age, number one. Then number two, these kids have potential to even do more for you in the future, if only you make that sacrifice and let them go to school right now. And for our kids, she didn't even have to pay anything, like, because the foundation is responsible for their tuition, their what's it called now, their uniform, their sandals, their books. So I'm like, all you have to do is just accommodate and feed these children, of which even feeding we give them allowances sometimes. So I'm like, okay, that's fine. So we just cancel 3 of them from our database, and we, sometimes you want to help people, they don't want to be helped. Anyway, that's that about that. So yeah, we're just going to have lunch with these people now in our jurisdiction, and I was going to even call like 2 of our volunteers, but one said that she's not available on weekends. The other one, another didn't go through. So like, we can do this, we got this. So yeah, I'll try to show you guys if their mother allows. Well, this one is even particularly ginger. When we registered them in school, she was like, come and take their pictures in school, of which I haven't even done that. So I'm sure she'll let us take pictures. I'll show you guys what we get up to. I'll see you guys soon.
half spiced chicken, half chicken suya.
Yeah.
Yes.
The pan, half spiced chicken, half chicken garlic.
Yes.
Yes.
Any other food?
That'll be all for now.
I give you a phone number.
Face of a well-fed woman on Sunday. But somebody is not full. Well, you're full for now. For now.
I'm actually very full.
I can't remember the last time we had pizza for lunch, but it was fun and the kids enjoyed themselves. So now we're going to drop them off. Their mom didn't come because she's not around. Let me just put that there in case you're wondering. About to colonize. Yeah, they will met a subscriber. Hi, we saw you in Domino's. She was so warm and so sweet. She came with the family. She's like, you people don't know me, I just call you Madejumo. Anyway, so we're going to drop them off, go home, and I'm just going to grab my laptop. I'm going to see my elder sister, and I'll pick up my younger sister and we'll go together. I was supposed to go with somebody, a particular somebody, but the person said that he cannot follow me.
Why can't the person follow you?
Well, he has administration today.
Those are the questions we're going to be
I even
asking.
already forgot. I was like, oh, let's go to the Fagbemis, my sister's house. And I said, Oga, I'm ministering by 3. So, I'm like, okay, you go do your thing, I'll be fine. This guy can still go now. All of them stopped, and you two will still go, even though the light is red. There are children in the car.
Lucky man.
Anyway, so yeah, that's it. I'll pick up Tokwe and then we'll go to Citoyosi. I'll be there till evening, just chill, gist, have fun. If there's anything worth vlogging over there, I will, but if not, that's it. The only reason I'm even going home to take my laptop is because I have to upload a video, which you would have seen by now, about 2019 vibes. You know, we're doing it 2019. I'm sure you guys would have seen it. If you haven't seen it, I'm judging you. Okay? Go and see it. Thank you. God bless you. Anyway, yes, so I'll see you guys. Peace. Peace, peace, peace.
Peace and love.
Peace and love always. And joy. Bye for now. Rookie, say bye. I think they're outsiders. Because the mom is a Muslim. Yes, guys, we just dropped them off. I didn't want to say it in their presence. I didn't really have the liver to be making videos in their faces. Not because of anybody, but I just felt like they might not be comfortable with it, and I didn't. They won't feel like charity work, or obviously they don't even know like why I'm making the video, but I don't know. And because their mom wasn't around, so that I won't be like I was taking advantage of them or anything. But it was fun. I'm happy they had fun. School resumes for them tomorrow, Monday, so it was nice to just give them. See, it was nice to just give them that, you know, feel of having to eat out and stuff before school. So then read your book so that you can go to university. It is well. Yes, for real, see you guys later. Maybe if my sisters are up to anything, they are bathed up, I will vlog them. Alright guys, see my hair. I love my hair. Why do you do Why do you do that? Confess. This guy, say it.
Find out, don't worry. In due time.
It's not fair. Don't be doing that. I'm loving my hair, guys. I made shuku for the first time and I love it. Just easy, so easy and different. My mommy said I look like mama, but that was like the day I made it. Now it's like 3 days old, or 2 days. 2 days old, and I love it. Anyway, that is all for now. Will you be vlogging your administration? Will you be vlogging your administration? SMH. All right. Hi guys, I slept off. I didn't update you guys. I went to my sister's way back to the island. PG said he's done with his program, so he's just going to pick me up at Tokwe's house as well. And that will be all for tonight. And I'm thinking maybe I should just end the vlog here or see if there's any other thing to vlog. As if there's any other thing to vlog. What vlog in between now and before the weekend, but just in case.